Hi, welcome back to Wise Monkey. Please subscribe and share. I'll show you a little bit of what is what of a riding lawnmower, John Deere. This is a 16 horsepower, 42-inch automatic. So 42-inch is the cut width. So that's the from one side of the blade to the other side. If you want to replace the parts in it or belt, it's the 42-inch that you need to know. John Deere 42-inch. There's also John Deere 48 inches. That's a different parts category, a little bigger. Okay, this is now where's the gas? Flip the seat. There's the gas cap here. This is the ignition key, lights, and start. I'll show you how to start it. Now I can flip this thing to open the under the hood. There's the battery. Positive, negative. If you want to replace the battery, replace. This is the coil. If that's bad, you can replace. Now this is a little nice engine right there. Engine oil to check the level right here. To change the engine oil, right under this dipstick there's the drain plug. So the way it works with the drain plug is you have to turn it a little bit. So see, there's I don't know if you can see it clearly. There's the little catch there. So you turn it and then pull it out. As soon as you pull it out, oil will come out. Then you fill the oil from this. Once you close that, all the oil out, then you fill it up to the right level, like right in between those two dots. Don't overfill. A small engine cannot take much. This is the headlights. To access the headlights, if you change the bulbs, just turn them, take them out, change the bulb. There's a fuse here. Sometimes this fuse is blown and it wouldn't start, wouldn't make anything. So that's the fuse, 20 amp. Starter motor. This is the starter motor. Comes right from the positive of the battery right here. So take this off, then you can access it. Now this is important, the filter. To access the air filter, just flip this, then take this off. There's the air filter. You can pull it out, just pull it out, clean it occasionally because this needs to breathe right. Close. Yeah, something else here. This hose seems to come off often. Right here, this one. We kept it open, this comes off. Now sometimes it hesitates and this kind of problem happens. It actually runs sometimes depending on temperature or whatever, that without this runs better. I don't know if anybody else found this thing. This is the fuel filter right here. There's the fuel filter. Sometimes you need to change it. If it's dirty, need to change it. Now close this thing. To start, well, this is the hour. It shows how many hours has been used. Now to start it, put it to choke. See, there's choke, then rabbit sign, which is fast. To when you are mowing, put it to rabbit or rapid. Now idle in between, this is turtle or very slow. So to choke and key in ignition before you start. There's the clutch and brake, so you gotta press that and then start. This is the parking brake, so well, like it's in park, unlocked, locked, unlocked. This lever, this determines the height of the grass that's gonna be left there. So 1 is the shortest cut, 3 is the ideal, or 3. So as you move it back and forth, that deck actually, I don't know if you can see, this entire deck goes up and down. Now often you'll see a problem, especially if the grass is too long. The belt comes off, and maybe a little more is running fine, but the belt for the blades comes off. So it's right here, like right now it's off. See, it's off. So it's pretty simple. You put it back on, and it shouldn't ideally come off unless the grass is too long or the string is kind of loose. If it comes off, disengage the deck. This is the deck, engage, disengage. So disengage it, put the belt back on, then you can engage it. Now engage the blade only when it's on fast, not on reverse. It doesn't run best when it's on reverse. If you try to cut the grass on reverse, it doesn't work the best. This way it's forward and reverse, forward, reverse. So it usually cuts well when it's in forward. Another thing I want to show you is the spark plugs. Very often they get rusty or damaged, so remember, this is the oil, this is the starter motor, and this is the spark plug cable, and this is the spark plug. So you can just pull it out and open that, replace it as part of your maintenance. Battery, oil, spark plug, sharpen the blade underneath, change the drive belt all the way, it comes right there. So to change the drive belt in this one is pretty easy. Lower this deck like in level 1, disengage this one. So right now it's disengaged, so disengage like this, and you can just pull the belt out, slide the belt out, turn it, it's all loose now, pull it out. Better to take a picture before you do that, so that you know the routing of the belt proper. Right now, if the belt is always coming off, sometimes there's a string here that gets loose right here. That spring sometimes could be loose or broken. You can replace that. Alright, this is just a ABCD of a riding lawnmower. Very nice machine. Hope this helps. Please subscribe and share. Have fun.